Hey everyone, welcome to Linda's Kitchen. Happy New Year and happy NFL playoffs. It's the first weekend of January and it's NFL wildcard weekend. We have a half left in Philadelphia Eagles versus Chicago Bears. As many of you know, I'm from the Midwest, Chicago, Northwest Indiana, and a huge Bears fan. But one of the things that we had up in Chicago that we can't find down here in Florida is Italian beef sandwiches, okay? So I've taken to making my own Italian beef sandwiches here in Florida. So I've got them in the skillet right here. They're already in the saute mode. So I sauteed the onions and some minced garlic. I have some peppers in there and they're sauteing in there nicely. Let's take a look and see what this looks like. And oh, that smells awesome, by the way. So they're in there just kind of doing their thing. We'll stir this up a little bit. And we saute this, probably another 10 minutes or so. It's been sauteing for a little while, so we've got a little bit more to go. We're going to add some more Italian seasoning in here. I just kind of go by taste and flavor, and I already have some in there, so I think that'll work fine. We'll just go ahead and mix this up a little bit. And oh, this is just going to be awesome for the second half of the game. We'll put the cover back on that and let it do its thing a little bit more. We have our hoagie rolls here that they go on. And the secret to these Italian beef sandwiches, by the way, is when you get that hoagie roll, you gotta dunk it in that juice and get it all juicy and just ready to go that way. And the last thing you have to remember is you need a full beer. Now, I've kind of been drinking the beer while I've been cooking this and other things, so I think I'll have to start refilling that beer right here. I have a beer from Indiana here, and there we go. So I think we're set. Happy New Year, everybody. Enjoy the playoffs, and we'll see you next time. And be sure to take a look at BrewNymph.com. Got all kinds of events going on there, travel events, couple of new pages. We've got a beer run page and a nature page now. So take a look at that. Happy 2019, everybody. Happy NFL playoffs, and this is not the last you'll see of us. So, woohoo! Happy New Year, everyone.